So in the last video clip, we just started the Laplace transform of the first equation. So in this case, we have y1. So this term will be 0 because y1 was 0. So this term will be 1. Okay, so it will be s square y1 and minus 1. This will be 1 plus 10 y1 minus 4 y2 is equal to 0. So if we simplify it, then this will be, because s square plus 10 we can take common from y1, and then minus 4 y2, then on the other side it will be equal to 1. So we can ask this as equation number 3. Now we take the Laplace transform of the second equation. So it will be s square y2 s square y2 and then minus s y2 0, then y2 prime 0, minus 4 y1 plus 4 y2 is equal to 0. So in this case, this term is 0, this term is minus 1, because y2 prime 0 was minus 1. So we get from here y2, if we take common, so it will be s square plus 4, okay, and then minus 4 y1. Actually 4 y1 should be 4 y2, but it's okay. Then is equal to it should be equal to 1, because this was this was minus 1, so minus minus plus, and if it goes over there then it is minus 1. So this is equation number 4. So we need to solve these two equations, equations 3 and equation 4. For the solution of these equations, what we can do is we can take the value of y2 from here. So I can describe y2 like it is y1 into s square plus 10 minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, if we take y2 from here and then input this value of y2 into this equation number 4, so I will get y1 s square plus 10 minus 1 over 4 into s square plus 4 minus 4 y1 is equal to minus 1. So this equation is now in terms of y1, but we need to simplify it. So if we simplify it, maybe then in this case what I will see is that this equation will then simplify into so because this is our minus 1 over here, and then if I take it in terms of y1, so this will simplify into s square plus 2 plus into s square plus 12. There is a plenty of algebraic manipulations over here. I'm skipping it, but definitely you will get this value. So this one this value we can solve by the partial fraction. So s square over s square plus 2 into s square plus 12. So for partial fractions, I will take it like equal to a over s square plus 2 plus b over s square plus 12. And then multiply throughout by the denominator. It will be, in fact, you can, there is you should represent it like as plus b plus cs plus d, but in this case it may not be necessary. If you will do like this, then that will be some extra step which is not required. So in this case, even a and b will be sufficient. If it does not work, then it will automatically show up over here. The coefficients will not correspond with each other on the both sides of the equations, but here this will work out. So this type of arrangement, a and b, it will be a into s square plus 12 plus b into s square plus 2. So for further simplified, a s square plus 12a plus b s square plus 2b. Okay, so now for the coefficients of s square are a plus b, and then on the left hand side it was a, so a plus b is equal to 1, and then coefficients without any s are 12a plus 2b is equal to 0. So we have these two equations. So I multiply this second equation by 2, 2a plus 2b is equal to 2, and then I subtract it, so it will be 10a is equal to minus 2, so a will be equal to minus 1 over 5, and from if a is 1 over 5, so b is equal to 1 minus a, 1 minus minus plus 1 over 5, it will be 6 over 5. So we will get y1 of s, that is will be equal to minus 1 over 5 s square plus 2 plus 6 over 5 s square plus 12. Okay, so this will transform into, in the t domain, like this. So it is so this we can represent like this, minus 1 over 5, and since it is s square plus omega square form, so omega square, omega is in this case is under root 2. So if we put under root 2 over here and under root 2 over here, so it will be s square plus 2 square square and plus 6 over 5. Here also I put the under root 2 over here. No, it is 12. So 12 under root, so 12 under root is like 2 under root 3. So I will need to put 2 under root 3 over here. Into 2 under root 3. So it will be s square plus 2 under root 3 square. So it is 2 under root 3. So now this is the form for the this form, Laplace transform of sine omega t is equal to omega over s square plus omega square. So over here we have minus 1 over 5 under root 2, so we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying by 2, so this can be written as 10. Okay, and then this factor will be sine under root 2t, 2 under root t, and then here it will be 3 2 cancels with, that is 3, then I take 3 on the top and then multiply by under root 3, so that means 3 times 5 is 15, so it is 3 3 1s are, and then 3 5s. So, but over here it will be sine under root 2 3t. Okay, so final answer is, final answer is under root 2 over 10 sine under root 2 t plus under root 3 over 5 sine under root sorry, this is not under root 2 3, this is two under root 3 2 under root 3 2 under root 3 t. Okay, so this is the one. So this was y1 of t. Okay, so that is y1 of t, and then this should be 5. This is 5. Okay, so now we have to find the y2, that is the Laplace transform in terms of s. So y2 was initially we used y2 is equal to this. Y2 is y1 over 4 into s square plus 10 minus 1 by 4. So it is y1 into s square plus 10 over and then minus 1 by 4. We can also write it like this, as we can see. So, and y1 was this. Okay, so if we input it into this, then we get y1, so minus 1 over 5 s square plus 2 and plus 6 over 5 6 over 5 s square plus 12, and then divided by into s square plus 10 divided by 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so this will be y2. So we can write it like this. So just multiply it. Okay, so minus it will be s square plus 10 over 20 s square plus 2, and then it will be 6 by 6 over 20, 6 s square plus 10 over 20 s square plus 12 minus 1 by 4. So we can further simplify it into this, into like this. So it will be minus 1 by 20, and s square plus 10, if you divide by s square plus 2, so we will get 1 plus 2, 1 plus 8 over s square plus 2. So then we will get this s square plus 10 over s square plus 2. Okay, so we can write it like this, and then for this 6 over 20 we can write it like 1 minus 2 over s square plus 12. So this can be written like x square plus 10. Yeah, this we can do it very easily by dividing x square plus 10 with s square plus 2, and the remainder will be this term. Okay, and then minus 1 by 4. So the terms are minus 1 by 20, and then it will be minus 8 by